Hi, welcome to my Cuddly Stitches craft channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do the invisible slip stitch when working in a round using single crochet stitches. When you join the rounds using the traditional slip stitch, you get this ugly looking seam, but there is an easy way how to join the rounds without a visible seam. I have already started working on my circle here, so I can show you the difference between the two of them. And as you can see on this circle, you can barely see anything. It's nice and smooth without the visible joint. I'll let you have a closer look at both circles again, so you can see the huge difference between them. Okay, so to show you how to do the invisible slip stitch, I will just continue working on this circle. So once you finish your round, the next step is to pull the loop up a bit, like this, and remove your hook. You will then turn your work over, and you will place the yarn on the back of your work. You will then insert your hook into the first stitch of this round, which is this one here. It's slightly on the side here, so you may want to use a stitch marker if you are a beginner, so you don't insert your hook into the wrong stitch. So insert your hook into the stitch, and you may need to help yourself with your nail because the stitch will be quite tight. Now wrap the loop back around the hook. You can pull on the yarn and then pull the hook with the yarn through the stitch. Okay, you can now turn your work over and place the yarn behind. And that's the invisible slip stitch done. Try to keep the slip stitch tight because the tighter it is, the more invisible the joint will be and you will not see any bumps. Now to continue with the next round, you will insert your hook into the very same stitch you slip stitch through, so it's this stitch here. So insert your hook and do a single crochet. And remember to keep it tight. Okay, and this is what it looks like. And you can then continue with the round following your pattern. So what I'll do, I'll show you once more. So I'll pull this out. Okay, and let me just complete the last stitch in this round again. Okay, so that's done. So pull the loop up a bit, like this again. Remove your hook. Turn your work over and place the yarn on the back of your work. Then insert your hook into the first stitch of this round. Wrap the loop back around the hook, pull on the yarn, and then pull the hook with the yarn through the stitch. Turn your work over and place the yarn behind. And again, keep your stitches tight. Then insert your hook into the same stitch you slip stitch through, which is this one here again, and do a single crochet. And that's how you do the invisible slip stitch to achieve a seamless joint of the rounds. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell button to receive an update when I publish a new video. Thank you for watching.